Hi viewers, what's up? This is Mohammed Sajidz and you're watching Sajid's Take. So here in this video, I'll talking with you about how you can make any softbox within lowest cost. So here you can see that here this is the flashing light and here all the lights on my face, on my object. So here I just make this video by my softbox. So how you can make it in this video I'm going to talking with you about. So without further make any late, let's start this video. Before starting that, I have a request. If you're not already the subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe, and if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start this video with me. Okay guys, we are in the very ending of our this video. So here the video which you now watching, these are without any softbox. So here they have some lights are missing there, but here I will show you what's happened after just making this light. So here guys, this is the light that you need, and here it's quite perfect for me. And here if I make it like this another, then my setup is ready for you. And here guys, this is the thing by which I just make my this softbox, and now you can also do it. And here in the description below I will give you all the ingredients that you need to make this type of softbox. According to my country's currency, I need only 600 to 700 taka. That means in the US dollar you need at least $10. Within this $10 you can create this type of softbox at home, but here you have to work some here. So here guys, this is the thing that I want to show you. Now it's your turn to do this. Guys, if you can do it exactly and correctly by my this video suggestion, then please like this video, comment me below on this video, share this video with your friends. So guys, no more today, we will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.